Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video ay papakita ko sa inyo ang last part ng aming Philippine Independence Day celebration here in Karachi. At yun nga, hindi maganda ang naging experience namin, unforgettable at very bad experience talaga. It's actually not the fault of our coordinators or people who organized this event. It was not actually free. All the attendee paid or has to pay 2,500 rupees to celebrate the 127th Philippine Independence Day here in Karachi City. That includes the lunch. What made us frustrated and disappointed is the bad experience that we have here at the Royal Rodale here in Defense Karachi City. For advice, the program will start at 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we reached in the venue before 11 a.m. As we entered, there were no electricity. It was so dark. 11 a.m., our coordinator complained to the management, but it was really bad. It was really hard to contact or to connect to the manager of this club. It was frustrating and disappointing because it is summer and it's very, very hot. Imagine standing or sitting in a building that is closed without fan or AC. It's really hard, and to be honest, it's very hard to live, to take breath, and it's really frustrating. So since we are a Filipino, it's very common for us that whatever the situation is, we can adjust. Life must go on and the party must go on. So in spite of what happened, we still enjoy. We enjoy each moment that we have shared with our kababayans and friends celebrating the 127th Philippine Independence Day. And here's the last part of our celebration. Some of our kababayans will share their talents in showing or dancing the cultural dance of the Philippines and the songs or mga awiting Filipino. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay until the end. Thank you. Yan po. Nasaan na sila? Nasaan sila?
Upang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting sa manlulupig. Di ka pasisingit sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bukha.
I've not yet said to the ambassador, but sir, our community in Karachi is among one of the best, peaceful, lovable, behaved community in the world. We have a very, very, very few ATM cases because they are very, very nice people. See, like Honorable Ambassador, Honorable Consular, me as Honorary Consul, we are just employees of Department of Foreign Affairs Philippines. Actual ambassadors are you. You are the one who are the ambassador of the Philippines. That's why we request, all the time we request, that when you are the ambassador, you have to think of the image of the Philippines. We should not do anything, especially on the social media. Okay, especially on the social media. Anything which will bring down the image of the Philippines. When we carry, and today you have to commit again, especially in front of Madam, that yes, you will commit as the ambassador of the Philippines, that you will.
We call on Ambassador Dr. Emmanuel R. Fernandez.
Mga Fernandez, taga-San
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Mag-i-English muna ako para maintindihan ni Conjin Imran. So first, on behalf of the Philippine Embassy in Islamabad, my wife Alice and I, along with Consul Paulo Alex, wish to greet one and all a happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day po sa inyo lahat.
Anniversary! Happy Independence Day, everyone! Patuloy po tayo maging maka-Pilipino at magpaka-Pilipino.
Ang mga Pilipino dito sa Karachi, sabi nga ng ambassador natin na kailangan nating magtulungan, magsuportahan, at ipakilala at maging proud tayo bilang Pilipino ng ating bansang Pilipinas.
May pa ganon.
pangalan ng may kapal. Bigay sa ating talino, sa mabuti lang sa ating katutubo ang maging magmahal. Ako ay Pilipino, ako ay Pilipino, isang bansa sanglibuan ang minimiti ko. Sa bayan kong bandila, laan buhay kong diwa. Ako ay Pilipino, ang Pilipino ay ako. Ako ay Pilipino, ako ay Pilipino, taas loob kahit kanino. Ang Pilipino ay ako. Nang isang hirap kung saan matatagpuan ang dimyas ng perlas ng silangan, nagnilikling sa buong kapuluan. Taglay ko ang liwanag ng silangan, at saan man bayan o lungsod, magigay mo hilaga at kanluran. Ang Pilipino ay namumuhay, sama-sama nating abutin pinakamatayong na bituin. At ang ating tagumpay, tagumpay ng aking lahi, tagumpay ng aking lipi, ang tanging itig at hinahangat. Hangat ko'y tagumpay nating lahat. Ako ay isang munting pangarap sa ating dakilang lupain. Kung ating di naririnig ang mga mahal ka na wala sa daigdig, darating ang isang kung bawat abali ay naging pagtulong, ay hintay. silangan, namimingin sa buong kapuluan. Taglay ko ang hiwaga ng silangan, at sa
Ayan, wala na naman yung tubig. Yung tubig, yung ilaw. Wala, sorry. Yan. Ito ang Karachi City. Very bad experience. You won't like it again.
You want to return again.
Yeah, you won't return again.
Want to return again.
My God. This is crazy.
Palaligan mo aking giliw, alam may hindi dinidinig ang iyong pagsuyo sa akin. Ingatan ko pag-ibig kung ako'y naging karinyo.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright.